If you want to install Dynamic Island on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case first we need to go to the Play Store. Now in here in Play Store we should be able to go to search, and then we can go ahead and simply search for Dynamic Island. We need to download an app that allows us to get the Dynamic Island because by default Nothing Phone doesn't really provide any of these things. It doesn't provide any Dynamic Island or anything that resembles the Dynamic Island. Now we can find many example apps that of course you can use, so feel free to try any of these apps. In my case I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna install this Dynamic Spot app. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, and if you want to you can of course try anything else. So let's open the app over here, and now let's wait a couple of seconds. We're gonna tap on next once this button is visible. Now we need to tap on select apps, and we need to choose apps that are going to be displayed on a Dynamic Island. So whenever you receive a new notification, then it's going to be displayed on the Dynamic Island. You can choose individual apps. You can just tap on these switchers to turn it on or off for some of them, or you can just tap on all in the upper right corner. Besides that, once we select apps, we're gonna go to notification access, wait a couple of seconds, and then in here choose Dynamic Spot from this list and allow the app to have access to notifications. Then we're gonna tap on the draw on screen and tap on allow, and then tap again in order to go ahead and tap on the next. In here, once again, we're gonna choose Dynamic Spot, and we need to toggle this option. We need to turn it on. Now we can tap on done at the bottom of the screen. If you have this premium offer, we can just close it in the upper right corner. And there we go. Now before we end the video, I can also show you the position menu, where we can adjust the position and the size of the Dynamic Island. So as you can see, by default the position might not be that great, so we can slightly adjust it. We can move it up a little bit. Let's see how it's going to look like. Let's say we can use this position over here, and we can also make it slightly wider. I think it could be a little bit wider. There we go. And yeah, of course you can adjust the position and size by yourself. You don't have to copy my settings. And if you wish to make some further adjustments for apps that should be working with this app, then of course we can go to notifications in here. There might be an ad played in the meantime, of course. And then in here we can go to apps in order to once again decide which apps should be working with this feature. So that's about it. Leave a like and subscribe.